Hello everyone, today I'm coming to you with an unreal level of excitement because I've got some products that I've been wanting to get for such a long time and I just can't wait to share them with you. I'm literally so excited about this. I have got several of the Fenty products and I can't wait to show you them. I've got the foundation here, the cream contour, the concealer and the powder in shade Banana, and I did get colour matched for all of these products in the store, so yeah, let's get into it. I've dampened my beauty blender and I've also primed exactly the same I do as normal because I didn't pick up the primer in store. So I guess let's just start with the foundation. I forgot to mention that I've also got the Fenty Beauty Stick, but I didn't buy that recently and I have used it before. Why can't I get into this box? I literally... Why can't I get into this box? Oh no, I'm gonna have to tear the box, oops. Okay, the box is torn and oh my god, there's another box, okay. Okay, so this is very exciting to me. You might not share the same level of excitement, but if you love Fenty, well, if you don't know what Fenty's like, you're probably here for the same reasons I am. And I went for the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and apparently you just need to shake it, and this claims to light as air, medium to full coverage for everyone, and also long wear. If you didn't know, Fenty is Rhianna'S makeup brand, so she has released a makeup line in the UK which has been tested by like a lot of people, and I'm like very excited to see how buildable this is. I'm going to start with like just a little bit of foundation and then we'll build up. Obviously I've got a few spots and stuff at the moment. I'm not expecting this to cover literally textured skin, like where I've got spots on my face that I picked and now they're scabs. So I'm just gonna go ahead with this and see how it builds up. So far I can agree with the light as air thing. Okay, so personally I literally love a foundation that can be sheer or buildable to just give you a little bit of coverage. Obviously this is like sheer at the moment and I'm happy with that because it claims to be buildable, so that is definitely true. Let's go in for the heavier layer, I guess, for the fuller coverage. I'm gonna get some of my chin and then we're gonna go and build up a little bit more, and I'm just gonna tap it into my skin. I do prefer foundation a little bit warmer than my shade, so in the store I did like this colour match quiz thing, which is by like Fenty, and it comes with the store setup, I guess. The little brown pop-ups and like boots, it's like at one of those, and I did that and that told me 150, but this is actually shade 160. Okay. Oh my god, wow, okay, so it's actually fully just covered this huge lump here, just gone, wow. And it seems to be getting very full coverage. Okay, this is very exciting to me. I mean, I don't know if you, oh wow, if you can't tell, I'm extremely excited for this. Let's move on to some concealer because I want to, oh no, this is another box I've got to open. This is also in the shade 160, but all the concealers are built to be a little bit lighter than the foundation for like highlighting, which is absolutely fine by me, which is what I do with concealer anyway. I didn't actually get tested for this, but in the shop the lady said that this is a little bit lighter anyway, and you can see like on the bottle it's a bit lighter, like more pink toned. So let's give this a go. I'm just going to go with a small amount here and then lift my face, and then I'm going to pop a few bits over my spots, like just where the foundation I haven't put enough on. So I'm just going to blend these out. Can you see this? I literally look airbrushed, like how excited! Okay, so I've brought you in a little bit closer. I'm now going to give the cream, well, it's called a cream bronzer on here, but it's called the Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer, and of course, again by Rihanna, and this was similar pricing to foundation. I'm not entirely sure how much every single thing was separately, but all of this minus the highlighter stick, which I already had, came to £90, I think. So there's that. Pricey, but so far worth it. Okay, can we just talk about the packaging on this for a minute? Wow, I got this in the shade chocolate and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. It's got like the whole glittery, not glittery, gold, like really nice packaging. This is so appealing to me. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it on my cheeks and we'll see how blendable it is. Oh, okay, maybe it needs a little bit more. Okay. I like to put this up quite high because it's wherever. Oh, okay, there we go. We're getting more payoff now. Maybe it's just the first few bits. Oh no, was that too much? I guess we'll see in a second. This is not as warm as I thought it was going to be. Oh my god, I hope I haven't bought the wrong shade. Let's just get blending, I guess. Oh, phew. Okay, this blends out so nice, like so smooth. I am very. Oh my god, wow. Okay, I am a little bit obsessed. I was a little bit stressed then that I bought the wrong colour, but I love it to be more of like a contour than a bronzer shade, so that is fine. It is blending out a little bit muddy, so let's just keep blending and hope for the best. It's a little bit cooler than my Huda Beauty one, but that is fine because I always go over it with bronzer anyway. The formula of these products is literally incomparable. It is, wow, I'm literally just going over these so lightly and it's blending out like a dream, to be quite honest. Whew, I was a little bit stressed then, but it's blending out nice. I really like that. I like how smooth it looks. I like how it's giving me like a good sort of contour. Okay, maybe I didn't need that much, but here we are. I'm just gonna rub off any excess under my chin to make it look like I've got a collarbone. Not a collarbone, a jawline, that's what I meant. And then I'm gonna go in with a very thin little brush and just go down my nose. And then I'm just gonna go across the bottom. And of course across the middle too. And we'll blend that out as well. Okay, and now I have a nice chiseled nose, which is amazing. Wow, that blended out so easy. Obviously it was less product, but even easier than the sides. And wow, I'm amazing, absolutely love it. When you buy it, this is a warmer shade than what's inside. So on the back it looks like this, and then inside it's like quite dark, like very dark. So just be warned, but it's fine. It blends out like a dream. But oh wow, this formula is so seamless, and I just, wow. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Fenty stick whilst my skin is still dewy, because it's a little bit pink and also it's a dewy thing, but I'm going to use it underneath whilst on my cream products and then on top of my powder products as well, because it's just nice. I just love it. It is a bit pink for me, but I personally like how it's a bit different, if you know what I mean. Wow, my back hurts. Why am I literally like a grandma? Okay, so this is the Light as Air Setting Photo Soft Finish for All powder, and this is also from the Pro Filter range in the shade Banana. I just wanted to say, like, apart from where I literally every single time get a line underneath my eyes and my little bags, this concealer has not creased, and it's been on my eyes, underneath my eyes, for like a good 5-10 minutes now. So wow, concealers always crease on me no matter what I do, how fast I powder. Okay, cool. So it's got the gorgeous packaging again. It's like kind of like a, has anyone seen the Charlotte Tilbury like diamond bomb, I think it is, and the packaging's kind of like this. This is what it reminds me of, but this is how the lid is, and then it's got Fenty Beauty here, so FB, and the powder, the bit that you pull off, And then obviously the lid you tap into to prevent getting too much. There is powder going all over the place, but this is fine. Right, I'm gonna get my beauty blender and I'm gonna dab it in and just bake underneath my face and down the side of my nose, but outside of that contour line. Oh, it smells gorgeous. The other side, so I just even it out. Okay, I'm gonna say you get a lot of product. The foundation is starting to sink into my forehead lines, but so does every foundation. Literally, I wish I could do something about that, but I can't. So, okay, I'm gonna leave that on my face for a few minutes and we'll just bear with. Okay, whilst that's baking, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows really quickly. Okay, so eyebrows are done. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe the powder off. Okay, it looks like it's given even more coverage to the areas that I had it, if that makes any sense. Like, everywhere it's been, so my chin and underneath my eyes, it looks like it's got even more coverage now, which is amazing. I'm just going to, where did I put the powder? Oh, it's right in front of me. I'm just gonna go ahead and just go around my face quickly and set everything else, all the foundation and the concealer. This powder literally smells so good. I don't really think it's any, this one is also light as air, but I don't really think it's any lighter than other powders in particular. I'm impressed, you know, like, sorry, but the packaging, how beautiful. And then obviously the products, the concealer, the foundation, I'm so impressed with, like, amazing. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off my normal makeup and then I'll come back to you. Added all of my other products like normal. I haven't done my setting spray yet, but I did just use the highlight. So I've literally just like warmed it up on my finger and then like applied it to my face. But I will say, areas on my nose where I've applied it, it's sort of like made all the other product come off and I don't really know why. As for everything else, the contour on this side I clearly didn't blend well enough because the products on this side have laid on top of each other absolutely lovely, and on this side they're just a little bit muddy, so it's probably like my own fault. But anyway, I will come back to you in a few hours and then again later to see how this is going. Obviously my like spots here, they are sort of kind of, the product's already kind of clinging to them, which is not what I wanted. So feeling a little bit disappointed, you know? It's already sinking into my forehead, but everything does that, so I'm not too stressed. And yeah, I'll come back to you in a few hours' time. Okay, so I just wanted to show you a little update. Basically, I've turned the light down a little bit less than it was earlier because I think maybe it being overexposed was literally highlighting like every single flaw on my face. Since I last spoke to you, I've been to the supermarket and eaten my lunch, so obviously there's going to be a little bit off around my mouth, and I just wanted to show you how good my mask was when I came out. Like, I was not expecting this. I was expecting there to be so much transfer, and honestly, I am impressed. Look at that. Literally clean. And these two little patches here that were there before were like before I went to the supermarket and before today, so really impressed. And then literally just this little nose band at the top. I'm honestly like, and not even like the arms, not even like the ear straps, like wow, so impressed. So I'm about to head to the library. You know, I'm going to be wearing a mask for a long time and the library's really warm. Anyway, I just wanted to say, obviously it's sunk into some lines just under my eyes here, but apart from that, it hasn't really changed. Like, it's kind of gone around where I was eating, but initially when it sunk into like my pores here, it hasn't really changed from that, so that's a good thing, I guess. Again, nothing's changed here, and yeah, maybe I will give you a little update after the library, but I'll let you know depending on what it looks like. It is now 7:30 and I put this on at 11:30, so it's been on 7 hours. I'm quite impressed with it. However, you can see literally every single spot on my face that I've got is just sort of the makeup's gone to it, if you know what I mean. I feel like if I used the powder to touch it up a bit more, then it would have lasted longer. So nothing really some powder can't fix, except obviously I need a bit of coverage, and as I said earlier, like, it didn't cover textured skin like here and here. One thing I will say was I had a mask on in the library for like 3 hours, so that's why this is very, very visible. However, the same mask that I had on earlier, not that much more is on it, considering I wore it for 3 hours compared to like 40 minutes or whatever earlier. This is how it's looking. So I'm quite impressed, to be honest. Like, very, very impressed actually. And there's not that much on it at all. And I'll definitely wear this again. I don't know if I'd pay £27 for it, but very happy with it all. Like, it layered nicely. This morning I thought I looked really orange, but it looked better in natural light. I think it's just this ring light, because I'm not this orange in real life. As for the parts where it stayed on, the coverage, I'm still pretty happy with, like, here. However, you can see like my contour has gone a little bit muddy and stuff, so yeah, not ideal, but here we are. Would I recommend it? Yes, but I wouldn't pay. I'd buy it on sale, is what I'm saying. Anyway, thank you for coming to my video. I hope you enjoyed this review of like this Fenty Rhianna'S brand makeup. I loved some aspects of it, other aspects I thought weren't as great. Obviously the powder is like literally gone from my face, so probably need to powder a little bit more often if this is going to be long wear. I obviously did not do anything to it, but I thought definitely a bit more powder, and yeah, I think you're good to go. Thank you for coming to my channel, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!